Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? If my eyes are red, it's late at night. I'm making this video because of a crypto. Crypto is cranking. The crypto machine is cranking. My name is Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, come join the family by hitting the like, subscribe, notification bell. Let's get right into it. Let's look at this. Look at this crypto bubble. Let me make sure that we are good here. Yep. Look at this crypto bubble, good people. So now this is for the week, and the bigger the bubble, the bigger the crypto. And as you could see, Gala, someone in the chat thanked me for putting them on to Gala. Gala is up 104%. And look at this. Apt, apt, I'm used to saying that. APT, same deal. Look at that, 104%. FTT, look at that. Solana, look at that. Mana up 65%. I mean, killing it. AVAX 41%. And the ENU is 21%. Flow 33. So you could see it. Sand 40. So it's really, really cool, and you can, of course, scroll down. I like the crypto bubble because it shows everything. So let's go over here. You guys know, for those of you who've been following me for 2 years, what do Uncle Larry always do? I find the crypto that is beat down the most, and I go and buy it and then ride it back up. And some of these are doing really well, but I'm going to swing some of these. I know this is the accumulation stage, but I have not started accumulating yet. So here's what I want to show you. We are still here in the accumulation stage. The other day on the live, I showed you a chart with just this accumulation phase, okay? So there's 4 phases to crypto: accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown, right? And as you could see here, you have calls and effect. The calls of this affects this on an upward move. And then the reverse, the calls of the distribution, forces it down. But in this accumulation stage, it is actually, for me, the most interesting stage, because I believe, and Stocks with Josh and myself discussed this, we both believe that we're here because you've been range bound, right? We both believe that you're here, and you could come back down to retest or go below where Bitcoin was, okay? We believe that it's going to come back down. Now, I don't want to speak for him, but we discussed this the other day. This is what I believe. And so I've been swinging it here. And after we have one more major drop, then I'm going to continue to accumulate. And I'm just going to accumulate. This phase, I believe, me personally, will last most of this year. Bitcoin retakes 20K, leading as broad crypto rally continues, right? And so it hasn't been here since the XTF debacle, right? So here it is right here. Bitcoin 2023 surge continues with the crypto now above 20,000 for the first time since the FTX collapse in early November, right? So that's what's going on with this coin, which is, of course, affecting the whole crypto market. So it has broke through resistance, right? And so that's what's going on with crypto. And we are still in the accumulation stage. Now, I know what's going to happen. The same thing that's happening with meme coins, meme stock, right? Which FOMO is something you should not have, all right? So now, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. If you think crypto has bottomed out, you have at it. Me personally, I don't. And I've made a lot of money in crypto from pure patience and waiting for the tanks to happen, and then I buy. You guys that's been following me for the last couple of years, you've seen me win at this game. I'm going to continue this game. And so after the next fall, when everybody taps out, that's when I'm going back in. As a matter of fact, it's something I want to show you guys, and I want you guys to beware of. So let's go back to the chart here. And if you could see this, right? See here, low volume, failed sell-off, right? And so what happens is it's been range bound and then it goes back up. People get excited. They chase the bull. And then when it drops again, you know what happens? Tap out, right? And then just like in stocks, people will miss the markup. And that's what's happening. So where is that? I wanted to show you guys this, okay? Big players prepare for their next bull strategy by accumulating assets within a given trade range, okay? And so their biggest trade range is the accumulation phase. In the accumulation phase, big players prepare for their next bull strategy. I am simply following the big players. And here is the accumulation phase, right? So that's what my crypto plans are in this next cycle. So I want you guys to be aware of that. And I will say this, and you know, you have to be responsible for where you get your crypto. I don't talk about wallets. You know, I don't talk about ledgers. I don't tell you where to go to get it. And don't ask me. I'm not going to say it. I'm never gonna. It's just too risky of an asset, right? Those of you that follow me know I say that you should have you should have 80% stocks, 10% crypto max. That's what I believe. You know, I'm not 16, I'm not 12, right? The older you are, the less exposure you should have to crypto and more in the stock. I always got to keep saying that because like we've said for the last almost 3 years now, crypto has a volatile drops, okay? And so, having said all of that, believe it or not, the best place and the most stable place that I've traded crypto has been in Webull. Yes, Webull. And I will tell you because the platform is safe, right? Yeah, the crypto goes down just like any other platform, but the platform is safe. I didn't have to worry about scandals like FTX. I believe that Binance is still sketchy. I really do. And I only trade crypto with Webull. You know, I was using Coinbase and that type of deal to actually accumulate. But as you guys know, with all of the stuff that happened with the collapse, it just wasn't a good idea to keep crypto on any of these platforms. But I have had no problems with Webull. Apex is the third party that actually processes it. How I've been swing trading my crypto in Webull. I accumulate my crypto in other platforms, you know, KuCoins, the Binances, the Coinbase, or wherever you decide. But in Webull is where I've been swing trading. The good thing about that is, yes, I was accumulating. You guys saw me buying Bitcoin all the way up, even into the 5,500 range. I was still purchasing Bitcoin, right? But in my Webull where I was trading, I kept taking profits. You guys see me make over 6 figures with Shiba Inu, swing trading it with Webull. But I kept taking profits. And so I suggest for you guys to have a more than one crypto platform. So just remember in Webull, there's a third party that processes it, Apex. But it's actually been the more stable place for crypto. Now they have their own wallets. They're doing all of that. You could send and receive. Check out all of the new features. I do have a link below for Webull. It'll be my top link for this video if you're interested in it. But make sure you do your own due diligence. But remember, all of your big crypto, you got to go onto these platforms to purchase. All of your major crypto you should have off of these exchanges still. All right? That's what I suggest. All right, good people. Hey, this is the middle of the night while I'm shooting this. I just wanted to keep you guys informed. We will see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.